After this wonderful hot tub experience, I am now going to the most notorious casino in Vicksburg. It's notorious for no drink service and lousy machines, and that is the Lady Luck. I'm heading there now. I am now about to enter the most notorious casino in Vicksburg, famous for no drink service and lousy slot machines. Lady Luck, I am playing Kenny Rogers, 15 cents. One line, that's 15 cents. And we'll see how this does as a machine. I don't see any drink server around. This is typical for the Lady Luck. But they do have good food here, I'll say that. Someone came by to take a drink order within 5 minutes. So, okay, maybe the drink service is better, but the machine is lousy. Okay on turkey shoot. Been playing for over a half hour and I'm down 50 cents. I ordered a scotch and soda and the server didn't understand the soda part. So what do you want, Coke? Pepsi? No, I want soda. She come back and said, we don't have soda. So I ordered a vodka tonic. Let's see what I get. But I ordered a pina colada before and they say, we ain't got that. That's the Lady Luck. Shoot game. I swear that this guy looks like that guy on cable who lives in the swamp in Georgia. I can't remember his name, but he sure does look like him. Shoot game. I swear that this guy looks like that guy on cable who lives in the swamp in Georgia. I can't remember his name, but he sure does look like him. This tree is full of birds or crickets. I think it's full of birds. Hope you can hear it. Leaving the Lady Luck casino. And I went over, as you saw, to record the birds in the trees. And a woman calls out to me in a late model car. And I walk over there. I says, I didn't hear your question. She says, can you help me and my family get a room? She's in a late model car, and she's asking me if I can pay for her and her families to get a room. I said, I can't help you out. Driveway of the Lady Luck. And beautiful American flags throughout the driveway.